Hello fellow gardeners, my name is Melanie Davis and I'm here to give you a demonstration on how to test the germination rates of your seeds. The supplies we'll need for this project are seeds to test, a paper towel, a plastic baggie, a way to get the paper towel wet, and something to write with, and some masking tape is optional so that you can reuse your plastic baggie later. Alright, let's start the process. Grab your water. I have a sprayer, which I personally prefer just so it's a little bit more controlled. And I'm just getting this generally a little bit more than damp. You don't want it to be soaking, but you do want the entire thing to be pretty well damp. See, some of the table's coming through, but it's not soaking wet. We'll take our seeds. I usually test about 10, because that's an easy number. Just take them and place them on one half of the paper towel, giving them plenty of space. Make sure they're not going to roll off the edge. Take the top half of your damp paper towel and fold it over the seeds. And sort of press it down so that the seeds are surrounded by dampness. I'm going to take your plastic baggie. I'm going to slide this paper towel in here. I'm going to do it with the folded side in first. That just is a little bit easier. Oh, and one of my seeds popped out. Place that baby back in there. No harm. Well, this plastic baggie acts as a little greenhouse, keeping all this moisture in here. You don't have to close it super tight. I like to hear a couple little snaps there. And now, I label the bag, and we're all set. An easy way to tell if your seeds have sprouted is to hold them up to a window or a light. Having it backlit allows you to see these little tails that come out of it. These are the sprouts. It usually takes seeds between 3 and 10 days to germinate, like in this packet right here. Let's take a look and see how they've done after 6 days. We've got some Russian red kale here that, as I mentioned, I started 6 days ago. I put this in a sunny window, but any well-lit area will work. And you can see that I have a 100% germination rate here. Thanks for joining the Master Gardeners of Davidson County for this brief lesson on how to get your garden started.